Today, we're making barbecued spare ribs from Falling Cloudberries by Tessa Kiros. This cookbook is full of recipes from all over the world, and this particular recipe stems from South Africa. Interestingly, the sauce for the ribs is very reminiscent of the often forgotten but original Virginia barbecue sauce with its use of Worcestershire and butter. For this recipe, start by melting the butter in a nonstick pan. Once the butter is fully melted, sauté the onions until they're translucent but not browned. Then add in the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, lemon juice, and honey. Gently mix these ingredients together before adding in the water. Let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to thicken slightly. This part is mostly to help meld the ingredients together for the marinade. We'll be reducing this down much further later on in the recipe in order to make the barbecue sauce. Once the mixture has thickened some, let cool before marinating the ribs. We used a Ziploc bag to marinate the ribs in lieu of an oven-proof dish. We recommend double bagging to prevent possible puncture from the rib bones, which would cause a huge mess in your fridge. Let the ribs marinate for a few hours before cooking. When you're ready to cook the ribs, scrape off any excess marinade while reserving the marinade itself to make the barbecue sauce. Grill the ribs until they're cooked through. The author mentioned how this dish is sometimes served with garlic bread, so we decided to use the grill to grill some garlic bread as well. Once the ribs are done, add the marinade from the bag to a saucepan big enough to hold the ribs, and be sure to get all of the sauce out of the bag. Add the ribs and half a cup of water to the saucepan and cook until the sauce boils and becomes dark, sticky, and thick. Be sure to turn the ribs over a few times while the sauce is thickening to coat the ribs. When the sauce is thickened, serve the ribs and enjoy. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.